Hey organizers, Allison with Cascadin. Thanks for joining me today. One of the best things about using Cascadin's simple organizing system is that you're actually documenting and recording all of the amazing things that you've got going on. So because of this, you can always go back and refresh your memory, learn from what you've done before, or even onboard a new team member. And the reason why is because everything that you complete in Cascadin moves into your archives, so you'll never lose anything. Here's how. Let's say that I'm working on social media for the month of March. I know that there's this fun social media hashtag holiday that I did last year, but I can't remember what it is. So let's see if I can find that. I'm going to navigate to my projects. And you'll see that I've got current lists or current projects right now, but I want to see what I've done before. So I'm going to click on Archive up at the top. And here's a project that I completed last year, which is the social media winter project. So I'm going to click on this. And now I see, here are the tasks that were associated with it. And I'm looking for March social media holidays. So I'll click on that. Oh, and here's my to-do list, and there's that one I was talking about, March 4th. As a dear friend of mine says, it's the only date of the year that's a command. So now I know what I'm working on, and I can move forward without skipping a beat. Check out our other resources and videos, ask questions when you have them, and as always, keep thriving.